Max and Tina are at the supermarket. They want to buy food for the week. Let's go with them.
Here's our shopping list, Tina.
Great. What do we need today?
We need cereals, fruits, vegetables, bread, eggs, milk, and flowers.
Okay, let's start.
We need to talk about the things we want to buy. We need milk. We need eggs. We need bread.
Look, Max, fresh fruits and vegetables.
The tomatoes look nice.
How much are the tomatoes?
They are $2.49 a kilo.
Let's take some tomatoes and some carrots.
Good idea. We also need broccoli.
Here is the broccoli.
How much is and how much are? We ask this to know the price. Use is for one thing. How much is the milk? Use are for many things. How much are the tomatoes?
Now we need eggs.
Here, a box of 12 eggs.
And we need some butter and some milk.
Let's take unsalted butter and 1 bottle of milk.
Some and any. Use some in yes sentences. I need some milk. Use any in questions. Do you have any bread?
Now the cereals.
There are many cereals here. Corn flakes, honey flakes, bran flakes.
Which one do you like?
I like honey flakes.
Do you have any corn flakes at home?
No, we don't have any. Let's take honey flakes.
Here is a question for you. How much blank the tomatoes? Is or are? Think about it. The answer is are, because tomatoes is more than one.
We need bread. Here is a fresh loaf.
And look, beautiful flowers.
Let's buy some flowers for the table.
Perfect. Now to the cashier.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $58.74.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Thank you for shopping with us.
Can I? We use can I to ask politely. Can I pay by card? Can I have a bag, please? Can I help you? Max and Tina finished their shopping. What do you buy at the supermarket? Write it in the comments.